Hi and welcome to another episode of Adam the Chef. Today, do excuse all the background noise. I don't know what's going on this morning. Someone is like mowing the grass and some car alarms going off down there. But the show must go on. And today I'll be doing a vegan sushi recipe. Sushi is quite easy to make if you know how, but I'll be doing a step-by-step guide as always, and the recipe will be in the description below. I also won't be doing this one live. A few days ago I did a live session courtesy of Hospo Live, and a massive shout out to Hit Training who actually interviewed me. I did a cured mackerel dish and then I had like a little career chat at the end of the video, so you can check that out on my channel. It is up there, and I will also put a link into Hit Training below this video because they are a great company. They offer loads of training in the hospitality and catering industry. But yeah, I'll get to it before it starts tipping it down, and hope you enjoy the video. As you can see now, I have borrowed a market stall, and the weather should now no longer affect my video shoots. So we now have our sushi rice, and we're just going to wash it now. So instead of washing it in a tap and using loads and loads of water, all I do is add about 1,000 millilitres of water and just continuously sort of rub the grains together and just wash it in the water for about 4 to 5 minutes, just so all the starch from the rice is removed. Another 1,000 millilitres of water, and just give it a good rinse. Now I just want to leave the sushi rice to drain for half an hour and rest. Like so. So now the rice has rested for half an hour. It's got a nice sort of pearly white colour. Here's an example of the unwashed rice from before. You should be able to see the difference. Again, the reason we wash it is obviously because the rice is quite porous, so it needs to drain and obviously get rid of all that starch. But now for the next tip, we'll get cooking it. Heat up some water in a pan with some salt and get that to a boil. Then place the rice into the pan. And then turn it down to the lowest possible setting. And place a lid onto it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the rice has been cooking for about 12 minutes. I just take the lid off, and that is perfect. That light stir, and now we just want to take it off the heat and allow it to cool down with the lid still on, and leave it for another 10 minutes. The sushi rice is cooling down. We're going to add the vinegar shortly. In the meantime though, I'm just going to prep some veg for the vegan sushi. I've got some avocado, some cucumber, I'm going to do some pickled veg and carrots. You can pretty much use whatever you want at this point, and this is the funnest part for me, so I'll get to it shortly. Just twist it. Not today, maybe tomorrow. Oh, thank you. And there we have our fillings for the vegan sushi wraps. We've got our pickled cauliflower, radish, chili, some avocado, some cucumber and some carrots. And now we'll begin to roll them. So now we begin to roll the vegan sushi. Start with a match. You can get these really cheap, about 99p, any sort of Asian supermarket. And to get more use out of it, I've just wrapped it in cling film. Like so. Place that on the board. Have your seaweed, place it shiny side down onto the sushi rolling mat, and then with your rice, it will be a lot stickier now. You've added the vinegar, and just want to evenly spread this. add some sesame. And then we'll begin to roll. Just want to carefully pinch it at the middle like so. And then using the rolling mats, keep following it round and tightening as you go. And there we have a sushi roll. Nice sharp knife. I go down the middle. And so. Then you probably get just about 3 per one. And there we have the selection of vegan sushi. We have some avocado, cucumber and sesame seed, and then we have the pickled vegetables with carrots. All can be finished off with some wasabi, soy and pickled ginger. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share.